we have given argument and we have to determine the validity of this argument. We have to use standard forms. So let's read this example. We have I can't buy a car. I can buy a car, or at least I can dream about it. Therefore, I can dream about it. So let's first find simple statements. We will put that I can't buy a car. We have first, so let's put that I can buy a car will be our P is I can buy a car. Next, we have or at least I can dream about it. So this is our second simple statement. Let's put that this is Q is I can dream about it. So now what we have, I can dream about it. Okay, therefore, so now we can rewrite our argument in symbolic form. We have first I can't buy a car. So we have negation of P. Next we have I can buy a car, or at least I can dream about it. So we have or, it means we have here disjunction. So we have P or Q, and we have therefore. So this is our first premise, not P. Let's write. Next, disjunction P or Q is our second premise. And because we have therefore, so it means next we have conclusion for word therefore. We put 3 dots and we have conclusion I can dream about it. This is our Q. This is conclusion, of course. We can change the order and we can put now first that we have disjunction P or Q. The second premise we can put first, and next we have not P, and we have conclusion Q. So now we see that our symbolic form matches the standard form known as disjunction syllogism, the standard form of valid argument. So let's write this. We have disjunctive syllogism. It means that our argument is valid. This is my solution.